From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, warm one out there today. Once again, temperatures in the upper 80s after a morning start in the mid 60s, and you can see those numbers above what we would expect this time of year. Maybe mid to upper 50s, highs in the upper 70s. Usually we're within 5 degrees of that, but not 10 degrees above that, and that's going to be the story for the rest of the week. But change on the horizon as we head into next week. So let's take a look at the big picture here as we look at the water vapor imagery. We have that high pressure ridge dominating across the Gulf of Mexico, keeping a big hurricane down here bottled up to the south, and then we have a winter storm up here to the north, and eventually this system will drag a front our way in about 5 or 6 days time frame. It's going to get here, it looks like, by Monday. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. But as we look at what's going on across the U.S., well, big winter storm underway where they're expecting snow by the feet in spots across portions of Montana and northwestern Wyoming, Idaho, and even up through Washington state, and winter weather advisories as well. So it is winter somewhere. It's kind of fall in between, and we're stuck in summer thanks to this ridge of high pressure off to the east, low pressure to the west, and that's allowed for a tightening pressure gradient, and that's allowed for breezier conditions during the day and enough wind at night to keep fog at bay for the most part. It was much lighter this morning, tried to form between about midnight and about 4 a.m. Then the wind picked up, and we'll watch the trends in the nights ahead, but don't think fog is going to be a major issue. As we take a look at the regional Doppler radars, all relatively quiet for now. A couple of streamer showers out in the Gulf, and we saw a few of those moving inland during the course of the day today by Reserve and over toward, we'll say, the Baton Rouge area between Baton Rouge and Hammond. Those showers have diminished, and that's our best chance of rain over the next several days. 5% on any given day, maybe 10% on Thursday. Meanwhile, here across Acadiana, as we scan Power Doppler 3, Acadiana's Doppler radar, all is quiet. Tropics, a different story, though. Hurricane Tammy is intensifying, but the big story today has been Major Hurricane Otis. Otis started today as a tropical storm. At 10 o'clock this morning, it was a tropical storm. At 10 o'clock tonight, it's a Category 5 hurricane. Look at the way that eye formed. It went through a rapid intensification cycle, the fastest rapid intensification cycle observed in the Eastern Pacific ever. And here it is just south of Acapulco, Category 5, 160-mile-per-hour winds. It's going to hit Acapulco. It's going to hit Zuanatejo as well, and a couple of other places on the Mexican coast here. So it's going to be a devastating storm as it moves inland overnight tonight. Here's the 7 a.m. position, still a major hurricane, and then eventually doing a lot of damage with respect to heavy rainfall. But this is going to be a catastrophic storm, unfortunately, for our friends in Mexico. Meanwhile, for us, we're looking at temperatures near 70 by daybreak tomorrow. We'll get into the mid to upper 80s tomorrow afternoon. The HRRR model a little bit cooler, and also trying to bring in a few isolated showers. We'll see if that happens as we head into Thursday. But again, rain chance no higher than about 10%. So overnight tonight, temperatures upper 60s to lower 70s. Tomorrow back into the mid to upper 80s. That heat index in the lower 90s, and we see little change as we head into Thursday. So 70 the low tonight, milder, humid overall. A slight tropical breeze out there, but enough to keep fog at bay, and a waxing gibbous Hunter's moon out there. It'll be full later this week. Then for tomorrow, 88 the high, a mixture of clouds and sun, more sun during the midday hours, and then some clouds into the afternoon. Breezy southeasterly winds once again. Now moving into the 10-day forecast, we don't see much change. Upper 80s as we head into the weekend, and then as we head into Monday, hopefully a few showers coming in. Again, not looking overly wet with this frontal boundary, but it's going to be breezy. Look at the temperatures as we head toward Tuesday morning. This is just model guidance in the 40s, but here we go. As we head into Halloween, we're going to see a nice Arctic outbreak, mainly impacting the northern part of the U.S. Anything in purple here is teens and single digits, so there's going to be some cold air lurking around. So maybe even mid-40s may not be cool enough, but it's certainly going to be chilly, a wind-chilly Halloween, so go with the warm costumes, and then refreshingly cool as we start November. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.